Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time there's a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video.
Perfect.
Everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comment shout out during the free to comment. We can reply back to every single comment. Here's Boruto and Kawaki. Hopefully you enjoyed this. This idea helps from making it strong, especially with this strong in particular, because I always love playing around with different shades of the same color. So hopefully you'll enjoy this as I did. I'm going to leave this to drawing place in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out, because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters I've drawn for they may really like. So make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description, and I also have a drawing playlist here for Boruto, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe and on time. Have everybody, peace.